Feeling tired of those confusing ways to make money online? What if I told you that you can start earning just by using your WhatsApp? In this video, I will show you how to turn your WhatsApp into a money-making machine. I'll be walking you through on how to register on the app, connect your WhatsApp account, maximizing your income through the app, and also, finally, how to withdraw. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you can never miss out on any of our updates. And don't forget to join my Telegram channel because I'll be sharing exclusive money making tips, step-by-step guides, and hot paying platform before anyone even hears about them. Stay ahead of the game, stay updated, and let's grow together. The link to the Telegram channel is in the description. Check it out now. Let's dive right into the video. So to get started on this platform, all you have to do is to click on the link below in the description box of this video. And once you click on the link below, you'll be brought over to this kind of page here where you'll be seeing you have to select your country of residence. You can just click any country here, but I'll be clicking in Nigeria because that is my present country right now. So I'll just click on the Nigeria button here. I'll be clicking on yes. It'll be asking to select your language, and then selected on English. So if you understand any other different language, you can just select the language you understand. Then you'll be clicking on the yes button down here, and then you'll be seeing this kind of pop-up image here where you see if you invite people, this is the commissions you get. So just click on the yes button here. Once you click on the yes button, click on this login now, although you want to sign up. So you'll be brought over to this kind of page here where you'll be asked to put in your email. Once you put, you can either sign up with your email or the phone button here, but I will advise you to sign up with your email because it's quite faster when signing up. So you can just click on the email sign up here. And once you just click on the email sign up, you just put your email address here. Once you put in your email address, you put in your password, then you do this confirmation of your password. Then once you are done, you complete this security verification down here, and once you are done, you just click on the create account. So once you're done signing in, you'll be seeing this kind of the same pop-up again you saw when you clicked on the link. You just follow the same process, and once you follow the same process, you'll be given a free 150 naira upon signing in immediately to this platform. So what you have to do now in this platform is to just link your WhatsApp account, and that's the first thing I'm going to be showing you in this video. So you just have to link your WhatsApp account to earn from this platform, because this platform basically pays you for linking your WhatsApp account, and they will use that WhatsApp account you linked to advertise their platform, and that way they are paying you for advertising their platform. So I advise you to use a secondary WhatsApp number to register on this app. Do not use your normal WhatsApp number. You can use your secondary WhatsApp account number, which is the number that you are not using for your personal purposes. So then once you want to link your WhatsApp, you just click on this button down here. That's like this scan button there. You just click on it. Once you click on it, you'll be seeing this place where you have to click on this phone login. Once you click on the phone login, you'll be asked to put in your country code or your once you just put it like this, if you have selected India or Pakistan in that your first place, you'll be seeing your country code here already, because it only supports the countries that you saw in the beginning of this video. So once you just do that, you just put in your phone number here, and I'll be blurring this out for security purposes. Then once you input your phone number, you just click on this get key here. Once you click on get key, you wait for the code that they'll be asking you to use to link your WhatsApp account to this platform. So I'll be waiting for the code right now. So as you can see now, I just got the code, and you can see I'll just click on this copy button here. The code is 77777. Just click on this copy button here, and then you'll be going over to your WhatsApp. I'll be going over to my WhatsApp button now, and then you click on these three dots up here. Just click on these three dots up here, and then click on linked devices. Then just click on link a device, and then click on use mobile data. And then you'll be asked to go through this verification process, which I'll be doing right now. Once you're done, you'll be seeing something like this where they ask you to click on, you can just click on this link with phone number instead. Once you click on this link with phone number instead, you paste in that verification code, any verification code they gave you there. You just click on the code, and then once you just click on it, they'll be logging it into that account immediately. So the device has logged in successfully, you'll be seeing something like this that is written here Google Chrome active to show that that platform has successfully logged into your WhatsApp account. So as you can see now, I just logged in back into my page. As you can see, login successful. I'll just click on the continue button over here, and you can see now I've successfully logged into my WhatsApp. So once you just do that, you just click on the home page down here. Once you click on this home page, I'll be showing you how you can be able to the amounts you'll be earning from this platform. As you can see here, as you earn, you can earn 13 and 45 naira, 75 naira, and you can earn a total of over 480 plus naira for just linking a WhatsApp in a day. You can earn this amount as it will be increasing, and you earn over 480 naira. And this amount here, you can just earn this amount for linking. You can link more WhatsApp numbers to this account. As you can see, once you link an WhatsApp account, it will be increasing, and you can get up to this 5,250 naira plus from this app. And once you do that, you can also invite users to this platform. You can invite a user, and the person will get 375. You get 375 naira, and the more people you invite, the more your income will continue to increase. So now to also invite people, you just click on this invite tax over here. Once you click on this invite tax, as you can see here, you'll be getting a total of 1,500 naira per invite. So this platform, you can earn more from this platform by just inviting your friends to this platform, and as they earn, you earn. So once they just link their own WhatsApp account, because once you invite them, if they don't link their WhatsApp account to this platform, you won't be getting any commission. So if they link their WhatsApp account for at least 24 to 48 hours, you'll be getting your invite reward of over 1,500. You'll be getting 1,500 naira from invite. So with just 2 or 3 people, or if you invite 10 people, you'll be seeing that you'll be earning over 15,000 naira in with rewards just by inviting your friends to this platform. So you can earn by inviting friends to this platform, although it is not a necessary thing that you must do to just earn from this platform. As you can see, the commissions here are high, so I advise you guys to join in on this platform before they reduce the commission, because new apps like this, as time goes on, they start to reduce the commissions from it starts reducing daily. So now to withdraw, I'll be showing you how to withdraw. Now just click on this icon down here, just this last icon down here, just click on it, and once you just click on it, you will see that you'll be seeing your commission here, and you'll be seeing yesterday's commission. So to withdraw, you just click on this third icon down here, just third icon. Once you click on this third icon, you just click on this your add bank card. Once you click on add bank card, you can just click on, they'll tell you to select your bank. Just click on this place, and then you'll be seeing the lots of bank accounts that you can put in this platform. As you can see, these are different Nigerian banks you can be able to log into this platform. So I'll be putting in my bank right now. So I'll also be blurring this out for security purposes, and also once I'm done, show you guys how you can be able to withdraw and the minimum amount for withdrawal in this platform. So once you just finish with that, you just click on this save button down here. Once you click on this save button, your bank account has been successfully added. As you can see here, my withdrawal account has been added successfully to this platform. So once you can see here that you can withdraw. Your minimum withdrawal in this place is 3,300, and once you reach 3,300, they'll be taking a fee of 300 naira and be giving you, crediting with 3,000 naira. You can also see another one where you'll be receiving 4,000. You will get, if once you reach 4,950, you can withdraw, and then you'll be taking a fee of 450 and be giving you 4,500. And you can earn all these amounts in a day depending on the number of accounts you link to this platform. So guys, once you are done with that, and if you want to withdraw all your account balance, what you can see, as you can see here, they wrote here, if you want to exceed 15,000 naira, you can withdraw all your money in this platform without any fees, as you can see here. So I'll advise you guys to withdraw once you reach the minimum withdrawal, so before anything happens to the platform. And you can see there, the daily withdrawal is 10 times a day, so you can withdraw only 10 times a day. So guys, that will be all for this video. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure you subscribe to this channel, and also do not forget to join my Telegram channel, because I'll be posting daily updates there on how to make money online. You can go and check it out now.